courage to enter into the unknown, the courage to enter into the unconscious. And that call is both terrifying and vivifying. But we have to have the courage to do that. And there are skills that allow you to do that without being annihilated. And then courting the crone itself. Like when you get to her threshold and she shows up in all the ugliness and all the terror that you have projected onto her, and she asks you, did you come of your own accord or were you sent?